Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make oats veggie masala. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of rolled oats and 2 cups of your favorite mixed vegetables, like peas, carrots, and beans. Also, prepare 1 small onion, 1 tomato, and 2 green chilies. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and your essential masala spices. Now, let's start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over a medium flame. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, letting them splutter. Then, add your chopped onion, green chilies, and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Sauté this mixture until the onion turns translucent and the aroma fills your kitchen. Next, stir in your chopped tomatoes and cook them until they become soft and pulpy. Now it's time for the spices. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix everything well to coat the vegetables. Finally, add your 2 cups of mixed vegetables and 1 cup of rolled oats, stirring to combine. To finish, pour in 2 cups of water and bring the entire mixture to a gentle boil. Reduce the heat and let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, or until the oats are fully cooked and have absorbed most of the liquid. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve hot for a delicious and healthy meal. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.